guys, happy new year. How are you guys all doing? Are you having a great new year so far? It's only been what, a couple hours, but it is 2020, so it's pretty crazy. Oh my god, I can't believe it. But I'm so happy to be here today, guys, coming, just hanging out with you guys. You know, it just always makes my day. So what better way to kick the year off than with my beautiful babes, with you beautiful babes. So I really, I was like, what can we chat about today? And I saw so many people doing best of 2019 makeup and beauty favorites. So now I don't know that I have, I said I don't really have something for every category and things like that, but I just want to pop in with some things that I found this year that truly, or I found in 2019, that actually I really feel like they changed my makeup game. That just makes you feel so good when you're a makeup addict and you finally get it right, where you feel like you have these things that are just amazing, that give you the look you want and that just makes you feel so good, right? These ones I'm going to show you today, I can hands down, honest to God, say that they were truly life changers for me, and I can never see myself straying from these things. That's how good they are. So I don't, like I said, I don't have something for every category, but I do have a lot of stuff here. So I just want to show you guys though, because I said I hope that you guys love it as much as me. Nothing is sponsored. Everything I purchased with my own money, probably, well, maybe not, but if you want, I'll let you guys know. But okay, the first thing I gotta tell you guys, for me, actually the first two things for me that's changed my life in 2019, and I just could not be happier, because I have such sensitive eyes that, like I had even mentioned, sometime in the past year, I had said I didn't even know if I could do makeup anymore. My eyes would burn, they would hurt so bad, and I was having a really hard time figuring it out. Is it the eyeshadow? Sometimes I thought, is it just something wrong with me? Because they would just burn like really bad. And as soon as, actually while I would do the video and trying to show you guys, they would start tearing, and then I would just try to get through it, and then as soon as it was over, my face would be tears coming down my face, ruining my makeup. But guys, I really think I figured out what it was, because a lot of you were saying there's certain eyeshadows that have dyes in them. So I experimented with different eyeshadows, and I experimented with everything. I took one thing out and this, that, and the other, and I really think I have figured it out, because since I had changed up these two things, it was probably that one thing, my eyes have never burned again. And honest to God, I think it was my lash glue, because it was always, when I put on, it was either the lash glue or the liquid liner, but it was probably the lash glue. But ever since I started using this one from Kiss, this is Kiss I Envy. This is Kiss brand, but it's their brand, their company, I Envy. So it's the Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive. So it's this one right here, and I'm so happy because my eyes have never burned again. Since I started using this, my eyes have never burned again. So I'm so happy. I have not had any issues. I did go back in with my Anastasia's, because a few people were saying their vegan formula has some people a chemical, or not a chemical, but a natural ingredient that irritates some people. So it wasn't the Anastasia Norvina, because I've used it again since I've been using this I used it with this, and I haven't had any problems. So it was definitely either the lash glue or maybe the liquid liner I was using, but I think it was the lash glue, because since I've started using this now, I have zero problems. So this is my thank you Kiss I Envy my lashes, and they dry right away. It's just wonderful. So and it's like $3.99. So I did wind up getting this at a random beauty supply store that I went to, but I did find it on Amazon. So as soon as this runs out, I'm going to purchase more of that. So I'll link everything below if you guys want to check it out. Phenomenal, $3.99. So you can't beat that. And it's truly, if you have sensitive eyes, please try that. I think you will be so happy. So, oh my God, this is another Kiss product. No wonder. I didn't even realize that. This is the best liquid liner I have ever used in my life. And since I've been using these two things, my eyes have never burned again. But I'm pretty sure it was the glue. But anyway, this is the best liquid liner. I actually thought I can't use liquid liner anymore, because my hooding it was always wet, and then my hooding was getting kind of stuck in it, and it was transferring, and it was just all kinds of issues. So I even thought I can't wear a liquid liner anymore. I really thought I was just not gonna, maybe even, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually stopped. Pretty much I would just use a little tiny bit just on my lash band, and that was it. I stopped trying to extend it, and I love extending it because it gives you like this more cat eye look. and it changes your whole face. It's crazy when you can use liner, because you can extend it and it makes your eyes look like almost like that Disney style. So now I couldn't believe this. I purchased this. This is the Kiss Magnetic eyeliner. So you're supposed to use this with the magnetic lashes, but I don't really like the magnetic lashes. I like the magnetic lashes with glue, to be honest. I've been doing that and I love it. But for me, the liquid lashes, the magnetic lashes and the magnetic liner is not a good work. It doesn't work for me. I don't like it. But when I just use the magnetic liner on its own, oh my god, this Kiss one is the best liner I have ever used. You can get so precise with it right in your, you know, tear duct area, because the tip is amazingly fine. Oh my god. And then, oh look, and then you can extend your liner like crazy, so you can get it makes your eyes look huge. And then, oh, I did have some, and it dries really fast, and it flows over your eye like a dream. Oh my god. And I've been putting it, I've even been using it like underneath, like that, just to like make my real lashes and my faux lashes kind of flow together really nicely. It's a life changer. My eyes look so different. I couldn't wait to tell you guys. I actually have more tricks that I've been doing with that liquid liner that I gotta show you guys in another video. I have another trick that I came up with that I gotta show you another day. How to make your eyes look like, I don't know how to say it, cat. It's more than cat eye. It's crazy. It's unbelievable. But just put it underneath too. You're not gonna believe the results. And then there's more. I have more that I do actually with this. Like, I couldn't believe how it's making my eyes look. It's like a dream come true. But oh my god, the best. You guys gotta try this. The best. Just as a liquid liner. Don't even worry about using it with the lashes and all that. Phenomenal. So actually, I think my battery's gonna die, guys. Let me move really quick. I gotta tell you, this for me is total game changer, life changer. This Fenty stick. This is the Mocha Match Stick from Fenty. Oh, this is the shade Mocha from Fenty. Oh my god, phenomenal. To do your contour with this, it's just life changing. It just blends so easily. It's just the most gorgeous color for if you have a complexion similar to mine. This is like one of the darkest colors out of the contour sticks, so you would think it wouldn't be good for me. I'm pretty light. But it's the best one. It's the best one, and it blends out like a dream. Oh my god, it's creamy. The color is stunning. I had never gotten my contour right in my, like, I never felt good about it because it was always muddy or patchy or this, that, and the other. I actually hated contouring my face. I felt so ugly when I would contour my face till I started using this. And now I love contouring. My face looks so different. I look so much different now that I contour, because before I just wouldn't do it because I just felt so ugly when I would contour. I didn't want to do it. But now I love contouring. Like, I will contour like every day now. Like, even just to go to Starbucks, I'll just do it a little bit because it just looks so good. It's crazy. So, of course, guys, this year I did launch my Alegra Chatty Beauty Mist finally. Oh my god, you know I can't resist having it around and not spraying it. Oh my god, it feels so good. It smells incredible. It makes your makeup last longer. It makes your skin glow. It's made of all natural vitamins and minerals, which are actually nourishing your skin, plumping your skin. It's just amazing, amazing, amazing. So I could not be happier. I was working on this for like 3 years. We were working on it in the lab, perfecting the formulation. It is an exclusive formula that I am only I am the sole creator of. There is guys, you guys know how it is with people. They just buy whatever. This is the only one in the world. It's exclusively made by myself in my lab. So I could not be happier. It smells amazing. I have gotten so much amazing positive feedback. We've had so many sales, so I could not be more grateful, especially to all of you who have shown so much love to my brand. So many creators have created content, use it, love it. I don't have the budget to pay people. If I did, I would have. A few people had asked me, a few of you beauties had asked me, oh, are you gonna send out these PR kits? I wish I could. If I could, I would send so many of you beauties that are influencers. I would love to put together the big boxes someday. You know, you don't have to do it right away, but when I have the money, someday I'll come out with one and you'll see everybody. I'll send everybody a beautiful box. But I do have an idea for something I would like to do for a box someday, but as soon as, you know, I have more money, I'll be able to do that. But everybody's just doing it out of the goodness of their heart, out of the love for the product, because they truly love it. They truly love using it. It truly is that amazing. So I could not be more grateful, and I'm so thankful to all of you for all of your support, because it doesn't go unnoticed by me and by so many people that have seen now their videos, pictures, content, what they're writing, what you guys write in your reviews. Oh my God, thank you so much. I truly cannot be more grateful from the bottom of my heart. I'll just leave it at that, but thank you guys so much. Oh my God. So let me keep it moving, guys, because another thing that I just thought was just so gorgeous and really life-changing for me as a beauty addict this year, Laura Mercier did send me this powder. I had never tried it. I had never tried it, so if she hadn't sent it to me, I wouldn't, you know, I didn't know about it, to be honest. This is her Soleil Matte Bronzing Powder, and I got the shade number 1. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. This is such a stunning, stunning product. If you have a deeper complexion, you would probably have to get a, you know, a darker shade, but it is just the most gorgeous color I have ever seen. It's like it bronzes and it warms up your face. It just makes like, even though it's a gorgeous blush type of tone to your skin. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love this so much. I'm almost hitting pan. I do not ever want to be without this. I love this product so much, and I highly recommend it. I will be purchasing one when I run out, because it's that kind of product that you're just like, wow. It's like amazing, amazing, amazing product that you just want to keep using forever. And of course, she did send me her translucent setting powder, which I always use, I always love. I have a lot of translucent setting powders, and this is definitely my holy grail favorite. So I just have a little bucket here. Did I show you guys this? This is another bronzer, but this I like to use to contour because it is very deep, but I got the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty shade. And this, for me, is the most gorgeous, you know, contour. I've never felt like my contour looked right till I used this kind of 3-piece trio here. It's the Fenty Mocha stick first, and then I set it with, actually I set it with the Laura Mercier Soleil powder, and then I just put some of this just up high, like so, to kind of carve out your cheeks, and it looks so, the effect is amazing. So I'm just so happy, because like I said, forever my contour was never coming out right. So another thing that I just show you guys really quick. Oh, I gotta show you this before my battery goes out. This is the best mascara I ever used. This is from Rimmel London Wunderluxe Volume. Oh my God, I have a video. You guys might see it. When I put this on, immediately I was like, what? I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, who is that? I couldn't believe it. I've never seen anything like this. This mascara, oh my God, Rimmel, this mascara is amazing. This is the shade Extreme Black. Amazing. I'll show you guys. Another thing I love this year, I mean, my Huda Warm Obsessions palette. This is such a great little palette. I did get this. If you go on the Huda website, she has a lot of great sales. So this was only $10 on the Huda website. And I just think this is such a gorgeous little palette. These shades are really beautiful, and they blend gorgeously. I do love my Colourpop It's All Good palette. I wanted to show you guys that. I don't know where I put it. I put it somewhere. Oh, you know where I put it? With my computer, so that's why I couldn't find it. But I'll put a picture in. I did a video with it the other day. Oh my God, that palette is gorgeous. The shadows are so creamy. And this one I'm wearing today. And I love my Colourpop California Love palette. Those are just such great palettes. I really can't even see myself. Like, they're so amazing. Such amazing palettes. Did I show you my Colourpop blush? Oh my God, my Colourpop blush is amazing. Where did I put it? Well, here is the packaging. It's the Fresh Peach blush. Oh my god, this Colourpop blush, I just can't get enough of it. It's just amazing. And then my NYX Lip Gloss, not tiramisu. Oh yeah, tiramisu lip gloss. Oh my god, love this. Actually, I want to put some on right now, so it's so great. And then I just go really quick, but I used this year, and I just can't believe the results. This YSL makeup is too good. Wow. I know this stuff, some of this stuff is pricey, but oh my god, it's like holy, it's amazing. Their Touche Eclat, when you use this over your concealer, oh my god, it's so amazing. But I got this at like about a month ago, and this is the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush Palette. And I gotta tell you guys, this highlighter in the palette is so amazing. It makes you look like you have glass skin. It's unbelievable. It's so unbelievable. And I'm not really the hugest, you know, I'm not like, you know, I'm not gonna, but I hope it's showing up for you guys. But I bought this and I was like, oh my god, I was literally crying seeing what this does. When you see what this does, you're just like, oh my god. Of course, you can always put some in your tear duct. It's so gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. I know it's expensive though, but if you wanted to splurge, if you really love, you know, that highlight life, it's worth it. It's worth it for that glass. It gives you that glass skin look. I'm like OCD. When I put on powders that much, I gotta spray. Because otherwise it looks cakey. If you spray, you don't look cakey. With the Alegra Tiny Beauty Mist, you won't look cakey. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will let you dolls go. I could keep going and going. Now that you got me started, I could just go on and on and on. I'm looking at all this makeup here and I'm like, I gotta show them this. But I'm pretty sure you can't stay all day, right? It's be like, I'll keep you guys here for an hour. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Happy New Year. I'm wishing you guys all of the joy and happiness in the world this year, and I hope all of your dreams come true. So definitely just keep visualizing all good things for yourself, and you know, just stay positive. And like I saw on TV last night, and the comedian said take risks, so I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take more risks. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I also want to tell you now, I want to put together a little bundle. Colourpop sent me so much stuff, so I'm just going to put together a bundle of 5 mystery pieces for you dolls. 5 Colourpop mystery pieces. Some of it actually will be a few Colourpop pieces and a few other mystery makeup pieces. So it's going to be 5 pieces for you dolls. So if you'd like to enter to win just that 5-piece mystery Colourpop and other goodies makeup set, they'll all be brand new. One of them is this one, for example, right here. This is the Body Soleil Kabuki brush. This is just one of the prizes. I have 5 though for you guys. So just comment below. All my giveaways are for my subscribers, so just be a subscriber. We are having a huge monthly makeup giveaway every month. Makeup by Mario brush set. I gotta show you guys, it came. I got it here for you guys. So wait till I show it to you. It's for the monthly giveaway. My next time I pop in, I'll show it to you guys. And that's pretty much it. So just comment below that you'd like to be entered. Just be a subscriber. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Bye.